Let's begin with a question. How natural is nature? The series challenges this idea with a simple example: Earth's environment. Originally, Earth developed the necessary conditions for life to emerge. Yet once life took hold, it reshaped the planet as well. Geological formations, such as mountains, were dramatically affected by vegetation which is directly correlated to the erosion of soil. Over millions of years, it had a monumental effect. Even further, in the absence of plants, animals, and bacteria, the atmosphere would have developed entirely differently, possibly unable to shield the planet from solar winds and ultraviolet rays, leading to the gradual evaporation of the oceans and the loss of water to space. After billions of years, Earth could have become a desolate, dry world. This example does not even take into account human interference. Humans exert a profound influence on their environment, and their actions, driven by purpose, a complex, unpredictable process, can defy even the most rigorous predictive models. For instance, one might build a model that predicts the formation of a desert in a given location based solely on Earth's initial conditions. However, such a model would fail to foresee the rise of a bustling city like Las Vegas, the product of deliberate human action. The same applies to all other countless man-made structures, and the subsequent consequences these structures exert over the environment. As demonstrated in the dual-vector foil attack, an advanced civilization bent the very laws of nature into a weapon, radically altering the environment to fulfill its purposes. If the universe is full of life and full of other, more advanced civilizations, how many times were such weapons used? Could it be that nature and its governing laws are nothing more than the accumulated consequences of actions taken by more powerful beings?